Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. I thought today I'll teach you some magic today. Magic in Revit plumbing. It's a bit cold here, but anyway, we will learn magic today. It's been some time since I spoke Arabic, so we will start the Arabic class today. ازيك يا باشا عامل ايه؟ Anyway, what's the story? عاوز ايه يا عم؟ عاوز ايه؟ عاوز ايه؟ عاوز حاجة؟ عاوز عاوز plumbing. عاوز سباك يا عم. خلاص يا عم. طيب, what we will do is I'll teach you some methods today. Okay, we've inserted a Revit file, and yeah, we are happy in life. This is our level. Okay, this is our level. Oh, go to the north view. Okay, this is our level. Oh, ايه يا عم مش ممكن. Okay, align and this one. Okay, beautiful. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. طيب, this is our level and this is the architect's level. Okay, we did notice that this is in imperial, this is in metric, but not a big drama. Okay, my aim is to show you how we will they look like floor, not floor, wall mounted water closets. Okay, I will teach you different methods how to connect them. Okay, okay, before that, we are all happy here. We don't need south elevation. Close this. Okay, I will. You can do collaborate and whatever. Okay, I'm more focusing on the plumbing fixtures. Like, what you do is go to Insert tab, load family. We will load some water closet. I should be having some. No, we don't have it here. Lavatory should be closer. طيب يا عم روح water closet, and we don't want wall. We need floor mounted. Sorry, wall mounted. Wall or floor, whatever. They look like in the ceiling, so it will be wall mounted. طيب يا عم خلاص يا عم overriding assist. طيب go to your plumbing level 1, and then we will go to systems, plumbing fixture. عاوز closet يا عم. عاوز closet wall mounted. It's a public area, so public. Okay, خلاص يا عم. تكة تكة تكة. Right, if you can't see this it becomes headache. I'll make it realistic. Sorry, realistic or shaded. No big difference. Right, خلاص ولا حاجة. Realistic will make it like 3D. Okay, no, sorry, rendering. Right, align architect with yours. الحمد خلاص يا عم. تكة تكة خلاص. حلو, beautiful. Right, we have what I'll do, I just put this into shaded. It is less, yeah. Right, we have different options of doing the pipe. Right? We have different methods. Right, we've added our plumbing fixture because now if very right. Okay, before we start, I want to just show you one story. See, this since it's a public and a flush wall, it is having 4 fixture units. Okay, if it had other ones based on IPC, right? We can change it. No, it's not it's easy. Go to edit, change what you want. Okay, for cold water, we have 10 as per IPC standard. Right, right. Let's start the story. Okay, we have one option. Option one. Okay, when this is the pipe, right? We will draw system يا حبيبي system. عاوز ايه فينك يا عم انا موجود يا عم انا موجود. طيب, go to DWB, and since it is drainage, it will not be on the sea, it will be down, or 100 millimeter 4 inch. عاوز 300 millimeter. We need a slope down. let's say 1%. Why 1%? What's the meaning of 1%? It is 1:100, okay, or 1/8 inch for every foot. It is going down. طيب, we are there and we are here. طيب, sometimes if this pipe is too close to the wall, okay, it's not the case when you have pipe in other end. in مصر ولا ايه؟ لا يا عم مش موجود هنا، موجود هنا قريب. أهم حاجة موجود قريب، أهم حاجة. طيب, the most important thing, it has to be close to the plumbing fixture. That is what I'm trying to convey message. This method we will use, okay? If it is like, for example, here we have this shaft, or not shaft, what is it called? We have a space here where all the pipings are there. We don't have any problem, shaft or what. But sometimes, if the pipe is too close, this method we will use. I'll show you what's the method. Let's say this, okay? We say كده, okay? حلو. حبيبي, I can't see the pipe. ليه يا عم؟ موجود يا عم, موجود, pipe موجود. But why you can't see it? I think we just did one mistake. We didn't put sanitary. Right? We see green color. أهم حاجة green. طيب. But حبيبي, I can't see it here. ليه يا عم? I'm your alien, but I can't see it. طيب. موجود view range. Say unlimited. خلاص يا عم. موجود ولا ايه؟ موجود يا عم. الحمد لله. الحمد لله. طيب. What is this option number one? Okay. Option number one is 1 minute. Sorry. Yes, Habib. Yes. What we will do is we will draw a pipe. فين يا جماعة؟ موجود هنا. طيب. We are not doing water right now. We are doing the drainage. طيب. Where is it? He is playing hide and seek. ليه يا عم hide and seek? طيب. Draw one section view. Till where? Till مصر. لا يا عم مش من مصر. اسكندرية يا عم اسكندرية. طيب. Go to view. Okay, the pipe is here. Okay, this guy is on the wall mounted. Okay, doesn't matter. Draw pipe. Slope down. Okay, and this is like this. Method one. Okay, 1 minute. I will show you what I mean. Okay, yeah, this is a bit too big. So fine. So, like this. Okay. We cannot see the section. This is fine. We need to go in the side, which is also fine. Too thick, make it thin line. And if you want, we can make it like this thick يا عم. أيوة أهم حاجة thick. أهم حاجة. طيب. Make sure this two is aligned good. And this guy looks aligned. And where is the pipe? Yeah. حلو. Then you say thick يا عم. TR. Trim to this one. Trim to corner. Or I have another method. This is a corner. That is fine. Okay. Well, otherwise, if you don't like this method, it's not you like this method, it is you put a Y here, like this. Hello? This is the one method. Okay. In case where pipe is too close, okay, we make another method where the pipe is a bit far. Just give you an example. A bit too far. The main main pipe is too far. Okay. So this method where we did was straight down and down, isn't it? Okay, I have another method. Instead of, no, you can't do it straight. What I'll do is I will make it like a 45 degree. You can't have 90-degree section, isn't it? This is ridiculous. Right. What I will do is I will keep it like this. We will make a Y on the top instead of this. Okay. We will go down. Okay. And then we will make a 45-degree Y on the top. Let me show you. Okay, listen. We bring this guy close. So this method generally used when the pipe is too close. Okay. Right. I'll show you then in the next this closet. We have 100 closets, no drama. Right. Create similar. I don't know for whom he's saying, but yeah. Go to view. See. Okay. This has to come down. No option. I think this is good. Yeah. This goes this way. No, perfect. Okay. Can we not, instead of making it like this, okay, instead of putting it 90°, can I not put it 45° and the branch, which I will do in the next one, which is show you here. Okay. Instead of making it like this, straight down, which is not really, logic, I show you in this one. Okay. We will do it. You will learn something here. خلاص يا عم خلاص يا عم موجود. We're drawing the pipe. Yeah, sanitary drawing. Okay. We think if you go down, he will get error. He need minus. Oh, what is going on? 25. لا يا عم. Section 1. أهم حاجة section 1. Draw pipe. This will come down. You can't do anything. Draw pipe. Okay. Pipe. Now what I'll do is I will instead of going down straight, I will make it an angle 45°, which will be helpful here. أيوة يا عم. أيوة أهم حاجة 45. 135. I have to see 135. أيوة. خلاص يا عم. 135 موجود. أيوة أهم حاجة. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Here in the first one, يا عم ازيك يا باشا عامل ايه؟ In the first one, 90°, which is I don't like this one. Okay. I would do it. This is when you have the pipe very close to the main pipe. This is the main line. Is very close to the water closet, right? Right. What you will do now, we'll just make this section a bit bigger, or we'll just get it away from the spot. I have space here. Right click, create similar. أهم حاجة create similar. Okay. I give you one trick here. Okay. If I don't click inherit elevation, because just think about it. أهم حاجة you think يا حبيبي. أهم حاجة you think. Now it is 301 elevation of the pipe. Okay. If I click here, okay, you see what happened. Okay. He make basbousa or falafel together, which is not it is wrong. I don't want basbousa or falafel. I just need basbousa. أهم حاجة basbousa. Look at this. Why do you think this happened here? ليه يا عم؟ You can't understand. I will make you. أهم حاجة section books. See what happened there. This happened here, see? But when I did the other one, it is perfect. So what I'm trying to convey a message is, I was a, you see, he did some basbousa or falafel together. But this one is perfect. Okay. So what I'm trying to convey a message is, when you're drawing create similar, always inherit elevation. That is important. Write down. خلاص يا عم خلاص. أهم حاجة inherit elevation. أهم حاجة خلاص. I think because I cannot see. No. Oh, I'm pressing other wrong key. Sorry. Okay. خلاص. So I thought I just show you how to do it. Okay. Right. So what was the method here is you can either write a single line, easier. Okay. Right click to create similar. أهم حاجة inherit elevation. Right. Right. I'm gonna draw a 35. I can't see 135. Yeah, 135. خلاص. طيب. Now I need this elbow, sorry, this Y to be at this angle. Okay. So what I will do is I will draw a sloped angle. Go not low. Go create similar. أهم حاجة دي create similar. كل شيء أهم حاجة create similar. خلاص يعني create similar. دقيقة. Okay. 1 minute. طيب we created this create similar. I think we're having basbouses of filters. I will just hide them. Ticka, adios. Ticka, adios. Right. Now we have to make this aligned. If you can see it, so fine. Maybe make the section head a bit small so you can see it. We want this. If I connect this, it's not possible. I have to. What I'll do is I want this to be aligned with this one. So I can go to this view. Go to view. Okay. This one. Oh, slope down. Yeah, I want slope up. Right. I did small mistake here. Maybe not a small one. It's a big one. Okay, I can change the slope to up by putting minus. He says, I am you drinking today. But listen, what I'll do is I will just delete this elbow, sorry, Y branch. Okay, create similar, inherit elevation, slope up. Okay, I can rotate this up. I need to rotate this such a way that it is aligned to this. For me to see them, I have to be in a section view. Go to view. This is my plumbing, and this is my Y branch. Yes, let me make it shaded so you can see it. Okay, isn't it? I draw it like this, and I need this to be up. Okay. Yes, I can't see that my book is coming up, so I will select it. So yes. Okay, what I can do is, I think I do not need this. No, I can go to section 4 and hide this element. So I'm only concentrating on this one. This is my Y branch. Yes, T, sorry, T. I need to get it aligned to this one. So how about, okay, this method is generally used when it is too close. Yes, want it to align like this. Okay, what I will do is I'll show you another method. I will delete this and delete this. Okay, delete this one. Okay, I will align this pipe with this end, which is done. We'll go to this view and let's say trim this with this. Yes, perfect. And then make it thicker. Okay, hope you understood what I did. Something like this. Yes, see, on the top it goes. I think this is what I was trying to show message that time. Yeah. So what is the story is, so I need to see the plan view section. This one. Go to view. Yes. Right click. Draw type. Up. Draw. Hello. Okay. So this is a method where the pipe is too close to the sewer. Okay, option one. Option one, yam A. Option one, when the pipe is too close to the excuse me, wall. We just cancelled because of that one. Okay, I would, yeah. Option two is when the pipe is too far. That is called chase. Huh? This is called chase. I will not get in the word. It's called chase. Okay, yeah, I will show you in the next video. Okay, let me finish this one end. So I give you option one is the same thing which I will show you how to do the corner. Right? Let's say delete this. Let's say just delete it between on 1 million section views. Right? Delete. Right. Okay. I will just show you the same thing what I did here. I'll show you what we did first, so you understand what we're doing. Right? Section box. You see, it is going like this at a 45-degree. Right? Same story. We will delete this. We want, yeah, same thing. See, it is going like this. Instead of yeah, delete. Right, bam, khalas, no good. In this case, we will show you this method where the pipe is main pipe is too close to the plumbing under the wall. Okay? We have different methods. You choose which you like. Lie down, khalas, yeah. Slope down, down. Okay? Okay. Then we will draw uh, elbow, not elbow. Yeah, yeah. Why? Here in this case, because it is the corner, last one. Generally, you have clean out the other one, other way around. Okay. Similar, or we will make it like this. Okay. Section. Good. We want to have it connected to this one, right? Yes. We will just see what is which. Okay. Yes, we want this to be aligned to this one, but in down way. Look at this one. Okay. Different method is there. We're going to draw one more section on this. Flip. Go to view. Yes. Yes. See. Yes. We will draw 45-degree. Yes. Instead of this elbow, let's see what is drawing here. Drawn. See. Pipe went down straight. Fine. 45-degree, which is also fine. Instead of going down, we would go more rotated. Let's look at this and look at that. Hmm? Just delete this then. Go to view. This one. We can't draw a section from there. Where is my plumbing? Oops. 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 I deleted something. This is my plumbing fixture. Create similar. Sorry, create CS. Okay. Yes. Draw a pipe. Move down. Okay. Yes. And now we will draw an elbow which is at 45-degree. No, too small. Inherit elevation. Okay, it is correct, but we need to rotate this now. Yes, we need to rotate it. Goes this way. So from here we need an elbow upcoming also, right? Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Another one which is on the top. No, this one has to be here, isn't it? Yes. This has to be rotated to join this one. Which is fine. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. That's 45. Just going this way. This one is also 45. It's going, sorry, inherit elevation this way. But this elbow has to come up. What I'll do is I will align this side with this side. Okay, what happens sometimes? It is very simple. You just bring him too close automatically. If the distance is too much, he will make film. Okay, align. That's it. We did the same thing. Okay, but this elbow, I don't want him to be like this. I want him to be. I think my angle is wrong here. Section, delete the section. Similar. View. Okay. This side has to be the elbow. 1 minute. Section 4. Yes, I think I got it. Here is the problem. Draw 5, which is 45. Okay. Here, I think I made a mistake here. Yes. ليه يا عم ليه؟ Pipe is coming. Actually, I'll tell you one thing. Best method, instead of making film or batik, I'll make you easy method. 1 minute. Sorry for this. use the power of Revit يا عم. WT ZA خلاص يا عم. We are here so we can see what we're doing. Draw. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. They are not aligned. So we need to align this on the top view. For me to align, I need to see the top view. Done. Okay. Right. What I'll do is this pipe or this pipe, I make it small. خلاص يا عم موجود. So better to do it like this. You know, you أهم حاجة عندك ريفت يا عم، أهم حاجة عندك views. So WT ZA and خلاص يا عم موجود. Okay. We did it 45. Oh, 45 this way. Okay. Right. Let's see it in a section books. If you don't like this, TW. Section books. See this method. Okay, this method is when you have the pipe a bit close to the water closet. This is the method you would use. Okay. Other method is when you have the pipe a bit far. فار يا عم ايه؟ فار يعني كده يا عم. Okay. I show it in the next class or something how to do it in the far method. Very simple. Just go down and then connect it. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this class. أهم حاجة you enjoyed. If you enjoyed يا عم send me like button or whatever. Send me in the comments. طيب يا حبيبي يلا سلام عليكم.